Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Daily Talk English podcast, the place where learning English feels easy, natural, and friendly. I'm Emma, and I'm very happy you're here with us today.
Hi, Emma, and hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. I'm Ryan, and I'm excited because today's episode is simple, useful, and perfect for daily English practice.
Yes, Ryan. Today we are talking about something we all have, our daily life. Morning, afternoon, and evening. Simple English you can use every day.
Exactly. So relax, listen carefully, and try to repeat some sentences with us. Let's begin.
Let's start with the morning because the morning sets the mood for the whole day. I usually wake up around 6:30 in the morning. When I wake up, I take a deep breath and smile. Then I slowly get out of bed and stretch my arms. I like calm mornings because they help me feel fresh and positive.
My morning is a little different from Emma's. I wake up around 7 o'clock, and the first thing I do is turn off my alarm. Sometimes I feel sleepy, but I tell myself, it's a new day. I sit on my bed for a minute, then I stand up and start my day.
After waking up, I go to the bathroom. I brush my teeth, wash my face, and take a warm shower. The warm water helps me feel awake. After that, I dry my hair and choose my clothes for the day. I like wearing comfortable clothes because they make me feel relaxed.
I also go to the bathroom after waking up. I brush my teeth and wash my face with cold water. It really wakes me up. Then I take a quick shower. I don't spend much time choosing clothes. I usually wear a simple shirt and jeans. Simple is good for me.
Breakfast is very important for me. I go to the kitchen and make something light but healthy. Usually I have bread, eggs, and a cup of tea. While I eat, I look outside the window. I like quiet mornings with soft light and fresh air.
I like breakfast too, but I keep it very simple. I usually eat toast or a banana and drink coffee. Coffee helps me feel active. Sometimes I listen to English audio while I eat. It's a great way to practice English without stress.
After breakfast, I get ready to leave the house. I take my bag, check my phone, and lock the door. I usually walk or take the bus to work. On the way, I think about my plans for the day and try to stay calm.
I also leave the house after breakfast. I take the bus most days. When I sit on the bus, I look at people and think in English. I say small sentences in my head like, I am on the bus, or today is a busy day.
In the afternoon, I usually work or study. I sit at my desk and use my computer. I answer emails, read documents, and sometimes attend meetings. Around 12:30, I take a lunch break. I eat with my colleagues and talk about simple things.
My afternoon is usually busy too. I work on my tasks and try to stay focused. When I feel tired, I take a short break and drink water. At lunchtime, I eat something light and try not to rush. A calm lunch helps me feel better.
After work, I go back home. When I arrive home, I change my clothes and relax for a while. Sometimes I sit on the sofa and listen to music. Other times I cook dinner. Cooking helps me relax after a long day.
In the evening, I like to slow down. I may go for a short walk or talk to my family. If I stay home, I watch TV or read something easy. I like quiet evenings because they help me feel peaceful.
At night, I prepare for the next day. I wash the dishes, clean the kitchen, and get my clothes ready. Before bed, I brush my teeth and read a book. Reading helps me relax. I usually go to bed around 10:30.
Before sleeping, I also brush my teeth and turn off my phone. I think about my day and say simple English sentences in my head. Then I go to bed and rest. Sleep is very important for a good tomorrow.
So that's our daily life in simple English. You can use these sentences to talk about your own day.
Yes. Try to speak about your routine every day. Small sentences make big progress.
Thank you so much for listening to Daily Talk English Podcast, Episode 7. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like and subscribe.
And share this episode with a friend who is learning English. Keep practicing, keep smiling, and we'll see you in the next episode. Bye.
Bye, everyone.